Hi, I'm Reid Burns with N.E.T.R. Here in New England, where we experience long, cold winters, choosing the right heating system is crucial for both comfort and energy efficiency. At N.E.T.R, we're your New England HVAC experts for all your furnace needs. We understand the importance of reliable heating, and we're committed to providing top quality service and a wide range of options to meet your specific preferences. Our factory authorized and highly trained technicians can maintain your current gas heating system or install newer, energy efficient technologies like heat pumps and ductless systems. We're proud of our A+ BBB rating and our consistent record of providing exceptional quality work and friendly service. Our customers frequently mention how impressed they are that we deliver on our promises. We offer a 24/7 quick response service for those unexpected emergencies. We've had over 1,000 successful gas furnace installations across Massachusetts, Maine, and New Hampshire, demonstrating our extensive experience. And we have a satisfaction guarantee, flexible financing options to make your home comfort upgrades more affordable, and 10-year warranties on premium products like American Standard, providing you with long-term peace of mind. Choosing the right heating system can significantly impact your comfort and energy bills. So give N.E.T.R a call today to learn more about how our furnace repairs and installation experts can make a difference in your home.